mine.
Okay.
But not anymore.
Okay, guys, here's a Homestead Santa Cruz ceiling fan that I want.
I'm sorry, Ryan. It belongs to me
I
now.
miss having now. Here's
Yeah. That's low speed.
everything is original except
We're
for
testing it at my shop, guys. So.
Because it's a potato. I wish I could get down from here. Why do I freaking film
That's
this?
low
It's
speed.
so shit.
It's low speed.
There's a freaking wasp.
I don't think low speed. I wouldn't say it blows really much air, but it has that nice slow low speed.
I like, dude. Do you think that's slow? Try
Okay.
Casablanca Zephyr.
Dude, I know. Dude, I wish that fan was a variable speed.
The whisper fan.
Mm-hmm. Dude, I had a whisper fan, but I gave it to Chandru.
Yeah, Chandru.
I didn't want it because the flywheel was broke.
Chandru.
The flywheel was like pushed up into the motor and it got foobarred. Yeah.
I love guns.
So this fan blows a lot of air.
My hair's
on
freaking
medium
wet as
high.
crap. It feels like it's dry. It's like very dry.
So afterwards, what fan do you guys want to install?
A chicken nugget. Why not a chicken nugget?
How about the Old South?
Sure. But no, don't. We can't do the Old South.
Why?
It's locked up. It's like locked up. It won't move. It won't spin.
Oh, it'll move.
It won't spin.
Well,
Spin it. Spin
yeah,
it.
you have WD-40.
It does spin. It's locked up, but it will spin. So
Yeah.
it'll be okay.
And you can use WD-40
Oh,
for that
okay.
stuff.
I don't have
Yeah,
it.
right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Oh my God, there's WD-40.
Here's high.
It's really old.
It should still work, I think.
Wait. How do I get the oil in there?
Spin down. Now we'll do reverse.
Yeah,
That
it's
should
good.
go. I like fans.
So, yeah, I think it was good.
That looks like it's just like dark. Nothing. Small potatoes.
There we go.
Oh
dude.
yeah, Mr.
He
Crunch.
was getting in the motor. I put too much on it. So, yeah. I guess the WD-40 does work. See?
Yeah, you try using it on my Old South.
I'm not...
Dude, try the nylon bushing.
What's now?
I don't know, but I heard about it.
You know what? Where's mine?
I'm just a giraffe. Oh yeah, that's stuck in my head.
Okay.
You're
I don't know how to use
supposed to the
WD-40, guys. So, you can't do that. We'll
Welcome to the
test it
crib.
So, is that it? Is that on spin down?
Are you doing the spin down or not?
Yeah, it's spinning down right now.
Yeah. It's got a pretty decent
I
spin
think
down.
this was low speed. Like, once I get the Excalibur, I'm probably going to swap out the pull chain. I'm going to probably swap out all the mechanics in the switch housing.
Ow.
Why are you doing that? What are you doing? What else for the Excaliburs here?
Brackets.
Where?
The blades.
Where?
The blades are kind of dirty, but these are what they were.
No.
You take them, man. You said you want all of it.
Except for the blades. The blades are freaking white. I don't...
The brackets are not original, but these are the brackets.
For the Excalibur. Okay, I'll take the Excalibur blade brackets and irons, not the freaking blades.
It doesn't have blade irons. Just the brackets. Okay. These things right here are called the irons.
Yeah, these irons. This
Is the bracket.
This iron, kind of.
I know.
I'll turn it on low because I'm a G giraffe, and I like
So-
Homestead.
Okay, well, I'm going to end the video, so that's
Same.
it, guys. Thanks for
This
watching.
This is a